How to use advanced filters in the trips section. To use advanced filters, start by clicking on Trips in the top navigation bar and selecting Trips from the drop-down. On the left-hand side, you will see all the trip stages: new query, in progress, on hold, converted, on trip, past trips, canceled, dropped, and all. Select the stage for which you want to apply the filters. If you want to search across all stages, click on All. Once you are on the right stage, click on the Advanced Filters icon next to the search bar at the top right of the screen. A filter panel will slide in from the right side, showing all the available filter options. The filters available are Destinations, filter by one or more destinations. Trip sources, filter by how the query came in tags, filter by any tags applied to the trip sales team, search and select a specific sales team member or RESV/ops owners, filter by the reservation or operations person assigned live during, filter trips that are active between a specific date range created between, filter by when the query was created, start date between, filter by trip start date range, end date between, filter by trip end date range, has due payments, show only trips with pending payments, show archived, include archived trips in the results or example. If you want to see all live trips handled by a specific salesperson between 1st June and 30th June, go to All Trips, open Advanced Filters, search and select the sales team member's name, and then set the live during date range from 1st June to 30th June. Once done, click Apply Filters, and the system will show you exactly those trips. You can combine multiple filters together to get even more specific results. To go back to the default view, simply click Reset Filters.